Infiniti launched the QX80's predecessor, the QX56, when environmentalists were torching Hummers and energy experts claimed peak oil would dry out the world's reserves within decades. During the 2004 model year, its first, gas prices crested at more than $2 per gallon, prompting more predictions that big SUVs would soon be extinct. Exactly none of that happened. Since Infiniti renamed the second-generation QX56 as the QX80 for 2014, and then refreshed it for 2015, sales of luxury SUVs and crossovers have been on fire. For 2018, Infiniti has updated the QX80 a second time. After driving it in Charleston, South Carolina, we'd suggest, no surprise, given its age, that it may still need a few more tweaks. While the QX80 keeps its imposing presence, senior product manager Ryan Patel admits that too many customers could not get over the styling. He's talking about its brutish face that was part tractor-trailer, part 1930s era Chrysler Airflow. By raising the headlights 3.9 inches, slimming their openings, toning down the thick chrome grille, and revising the entire lower fascia, Infiniti designers looked to mimic the gorgeous Q60 coupe and get it to work on this large SUV. We think they did a good job. Head on, the QX80 has become a handsome fellow. At the rear, a widened chrome strip connects new LED taillights, although the bumper-mounted incandescent turn signal throws a odd disconnect. The Hogan 22-inch wheel